Have you ever wished for something so badly, only to have it slip through your fingers? It's like chasing a dream that always seems just out of reach. But what if I told you that there's a secret to making your dreams a reality? Welcome aboard the Manifestation Express. Today's video is about the dynamic duo. It's the combination of manifestation with gratitude, a powerful practice that can transform your life in ways you've never imagined. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of this dynamic duo and learn how to manifest your dream life with the power of gratitude. The concept of manifestation. Manifestation is the ability to turn your thoughts and beliefs into tangible reality. But manifestation isn't just some woo-woo concept. Studies have shown that our thoughts and emotions have a direct impact on our reality. The link between quantum physics and manifestation lies in the understanding that everything in the universe is interconnected through energy and frequency. Quantum physics reveals that physical matter arises from non-physical wave energy, emphasizing the role of energy in shaping our reality. Manifestation teaches us that by aligning our thoughts and emotions with a desired outcome, we can tap into the energetic frequencies that bring that outcome into existence. In essence, quantum physics provides a scientific framework that supports the idea that our thoughts and intentions have a direct impact on the world around us. By exploring the principles of quantum mechanics and understanding the power of our consciousness, we can begin to appreciate the profound relationship between quantum physics and manifestation, the role of gratitude. Now, here's where gratitude comes into play. Gratitude is the fuel that powers your manifestation engine. It's like amplifying your signal and accelerating the manifestation process. When you express gratitude, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're open to receiving abundance and blessings. Gratitude also shifts your mindset from one of lack and scarcity to one of abundance and possibility. It's like opening your third eye, allowing you to see all the good that already exists in your life. The manifestation process. So, how do you put this powerful combination of manifestation and gratitude into practice, you ask? Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Get clear on your desire. One of the main things is to map out your manifestation or goal. This can be done through a mind map, vision board, or by writing a dream list. That includes all the specific traits, characteristics, and details of what you want to manifest, whether it's a relationship, a home, a job. For the video on vision boards, check out the suggested video in the top right corner. Once you've mapped out your desires, it's important to then sit with the information and ideas and allow yourself time to think them over. This helps you get a deeper sense of clarity and ensure the desires feel fully aligned. 2. Express gratitude. Make it a habit to express gratitude daily for the things you already have in your life. Start a gratitude journal where you write down things you are thankful for. This practice helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and reinforces a mindset of abundance. Show appreciation to people around you by thanking them for their presence, support, or positive impact on your life. Acknowledge and appreciate yourself for who you are and the efforts you put into your goals. Self-gratitude is a powerful tool in boosting self-esteem and attracting positivity into your life. Don't overlook the small moments of joy and blessings in your life. Being grateful for the little things cultivates a mindset of appreciation and, again, reinforces abundance. 3. Visualize and embody. Visualization and embodiment are powerful tools in the manifestation process, as they allow you to tap into the power of your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desired outcome. By vividly imagining and emotionally experiencing your manifestation, you can accelerate its realization in the physical world. Visualize the specific details of your desired outcome. Where are you? What are you doing? Who is with you? The more vivid and specific your visualization, the more effectively it can program your subconscious mind. 4. Take inspired action. The concept of inspired action is a crucial component of successful manifestation, as it bridges the gap between your thoughts, beliefs, and the tangible results you wish to achieve. When you set an intention to manifest something, whether it's a new job, a fulfilling relationship, or financial abundance, it's essential to couple your mental focus with physical steps that align with your desired outcome. Stay alert for signs, synchronicities, and opportunities that align with your desire. When you notice them, take action without hesitation. Inspired actions are those that arise from a place of intuition, passion, and inner guidance, rather than from a place of fear, doubt, or obligation. These actions could be as simple as researching potential job opportunities, networking with like-minded individuals, or making small lifestyle changes that support your goals. By taking inspired actions, you shift your attention to the present moment and the journey of manifestation, allowing the universe to work its magic in unexpected ways. 5. Release attachment. One of the most challenging, yet essential, aspects of successful manifestation is learning to detach from the outcome. In the pursuit of our desires, it's natural to become attached to a specific result or timeline, but this attachment can hinder the manifestation process. Detachment in manifestation is about releasing the need to control the how, when, and what of your desired outcome. It's about trusting the process and having faith that the universe will deliver your manifestation in the perfect way and timing. Think of manifestation as planting a seed in the garden of your life. Gratitude is the water and sunlight that nourishes that seed, allowing it to sprout and grow into something beautiful and abundant. Real-life examples. Manifestation and gratitude aren't just abstract concepts. They're real-life tools that have helped countless individuals achieve their dreams. Here are a few inspiring examples. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Before she became a media mogul, Oprah was fired from her job as a news anchor. But she didn't let that setback stop her. Instead, she practiced gratitude and manifestation, visualizing her success and expressing thankfulness for the opportunities that did come her way. Today, she's one of the most influential and successful women in the world. 2. Jim Carrey. Before he became a Hollywood superstar, Jim Carrey was a struggling actor living out of a van. But he never lost sight of his dream. He wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated it for Thanksgiving 1995, and carried it with him as a reminder of his manifestation. Sure enough, by the end of 1995, he had earned $10 million for his role in the movie Dumb and Dumber. 3. A friend of mine had always dreamed of owning a beachfront property, but didn't have the financial means to make it happen. Instead of giving up, they started practicing gratitude and manifestation. They would visualize themselves walking along the beach, feeling the sand between their toes and the ocean breeze on their face. They also expressed gratitude for the small joys in their life, like their cozy apartment and the beautiful park nearby. Within a year, an unexpected inheritance allowed them to purchase their dream beachfront home. So, my dear passengers, here it is, the powerful combination of manifestation and gratitude, and how it can help you create the dream life you've always wanted. But remember, this isn't just a one-time exercise. Manifestation and gratitude are lifelong practices that require commitment and consistency. The more you incorporate them into your daily routine, the more transformative the results will be. Start small if you need to. Express gratitude for the little things, and gradually work your way up to manifesting bigger dreams and goals. Trust the process, have faith, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your desires into reality. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Share the video with your friends and fam. For more videos like this, check out my channel and subscribe. Here are some more videos that will help you on your manifestation journey.